So my name is Tim Cooper, and I'm here with Marine Group Boatworks. I'm the director of business development for the company, so I do a lot of the sales for the company, and I'm the first person the customer comes into contact with when they reach out to Marine Group. We see more Humphreys in the super yacht market than we do in the commercial market, but I'd say there's a very large opportunity for Humphreys to enter the commercial market because everyone likes comfort when they're on the boat. It doesn't matter if you're on a super yacht or if you're on a working boat. You want to be stable, you want to have a comfortable ride, and I think that the commercial market is a big sector that Humphree can dive more into. As it's pretty clear their product is an amazing product, and a lot of our customers are very happy with the solutions that have been put forward. The greatest value of working with Humphree so far is the quick response and communication and getting answers. Us as the shipyard, we're not the OEM. So we rely on Humphree immensely in the course of talking with the customers and having those technical discussions, and Humphrey's ability to answer and respond very quickly is invaluable. I'd say all of our customers that have Humphree on their boats have been very satisfied with the product at the end of the day. Humphree has been very easy to work with, and the installation is very easy. So overall, I don't see a negative to the Humphree product.